Welcome to our top 5 smartwatches. These devices are your ultimate health assistants and fitness coaches. From long battery life to innovative features, let's explore the best picks to enhance your lifestyle. Let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus Watch 2. Alright tech lovers, let's talk about the OnePlus Watch 2, a smartwatch that'll keep you going mile after mile without begging for a charge. The big selling point: this thing has an insane battery life. We're talking up to 100 hours in smart mode. That's more than 4 days of full functionality before it even thinks about a recharge. And if you really want to stretch it out, there's the power saver mode, which can push it to a mind-blowing 12 days. Compare that to most smartwatches that are gasping for power after a single day, and yeah, the OnePlus Watch 2 crushes it. But battery isn't the only star here. The stainless steel chassis and sapphire crystal face make sure this watch isn't just tough, it's stylish too. With a 5 at M and IP68 rating, it's ready to handle water, dust, and whatever else your active lifestyle throws its way. With Wear OS 4, it's loaded with all your favorite Google features too. That means voice commands, notifications, and all your apps right on your wrist. So if you're after a watch with killer battery life, pro-level durability, and health tracking that actually keeps up with you, the OnePlus Watch 2 should definitely be on your radar. Number 4. Garmin Forerunner 965. Alright fitness fanatics, let's talk about the Garmin Forerunner 965, and let me tell you, if health tracking is your game, this watch is the reigning champ. Garmin's nailed it again, giving you the kind of data that makes you feel like you've got a personal trainer and even a meteorologist on your wrist. Every morning, you wake up to a personalized report breaking down your sleep quality, recovery status, and yep, even the day's weather. It's all there, ready to go, so you know exactly how to tackle your day. But wait, there's more. The personalized daily workout suggestions adjust based on your recovery and performance. Think of it as having a dynamic coach that adapts to how you're feeling every single day. And with the training readiness score, you'll know if you're primed for a tough session or if it's better to focus on recovery. Battery life? Oh, it's insane. You get up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours with GPS, so no need to worry about it dying mid-run. Plus, the Garmin Connect app lets you track all your data, compete with friends, and even earn badges. Who doesn't love a little friendly competition, right? With the titanium bezel and lightweight design, it's built for comfort, endurance, and accuracy. This thing is not just a watch. It's a powerhouse designed to get you to the podium. So, if you're serious about your health and fitness, the Garmin Forerunner 965 is definitely one to watch. Number 3. Google Pixel Watch 3. Alright runners, gather round because the Google Pixel Watch 3 is here, and it's not messing around. If you're serious about your runs, whether you're a marathon vet or a newbie hitting your first 5,000, this watch is going to feel like your new best friend. First off, let's talk real-time guidance, and I'm not just talking about pace or distance. No, the Pixel Watch 3 takes it further with advanced form tracking and personalized run recommendations that actually learn from your past runs. Yep, that's right. This little beast taps into Google AI to give you tips tailored just for you. Whether you're pushing your limits or just trying to keep it chill, this watch adapts to your goals. And if you're someone who loves to explore, how about this? Offline maps. Ever get lost on a trail with no phone signal? Not anymore. This feature has your back, ensuring you stay on course no matter where you are, urban jungle or deep in the woods. What's also impressive is how it watches over your readiness. The watch gives you daily insights to let you know if your body's good to go for a hardcore session or if you should chill out and focus on recovery instead. It's like having your own coach on your wrist. Plus, with a brighter, bigger screen, you're always in the loop on your stats, whether you're under the sun or catching the early morning light. And don't worry about the battery. Up to 36 hours in battery saver mode will keep you going. Whether it's mapping out your route, managing your run playlist, or snapping a quick post-run pic with your Pixel phone, the Google Pixel Watch 3 is a runner's dream. This watch doesn't just tell time, it helps you make the most of it. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. If you're looking for top-tier features at a fair price, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is where it's at. This smartwatch isn't just one thing, it's your coach, health advisor, payment system, and a pretty cool accessory all rolled into one. Let's talk about the energy score. Unlike cheaper models with basic step counters, this feature gives you a heads up on your physical readiness based on your previous day's activities. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist, guiding you through your day. Heart rate tracking? Oh, it's super accurate now that Galaxy AI is filtering out unnecessary movements. Plus, if you're having trouble with sleep, this watch doesn't just track it, it provides advanced insights to help you sleep better. It even detects signs of sleep apnea, which is next level for a wearable in this price range. Now let's talk style. The Galaxy Watch 7 has a wide range of customizable bands to match your mood or outfit, and even a remote camera control feature that lets you take photos from a distance. Oh yeah, this thing is packed with versatility. In short, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 offers unbeatable value for what you're paying. It's hard to find a watch in this price range that delivers so many premium features. Highly recommended. Number 1. The Apple Watch Ultra 2. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 takes the groundbreaking design of the original Ultra and enhances it with impressive new features. While it retains the essence of its predecessor, this model shines with Apple's brightest display ever and the powerful S9 chip, elevating your smartwatch experience to new heights. One of the standout features is the hands-free double-tap control. This game-changing gesture allows you to start workouts, answer calls, and dismiss timers without even touching the watch. It's all about convenience and making your life easier. So, why choose the Apple Watch Ultra 2? It's the ultimate sports and adventure watch, equipped with advanced features for runners, cyclists, swimmers, hikers, divers, and more. With a rugged titanium case, a super bright always-on Retina display, and precision dual-frequency GPS, you can trust it to keep up with your active lifestyle. And let's not forget the impressive battery life, up to 36 hours for regular use and a whopping 72 hours in low-power mode. Want to train harder? The Workout app provides advanced metrics and insights, including heart rate zones and custom workouts. For runners, you get precision GPS and advanced running form metrics. Cyclists can monitor speed, heart rate, and elevation in real time, while hikers benefit from offline maps and navigation tools to ensure they never get lost. For swimmers and divers, the watch automatically detects strokes and counts laps. It's also capable of full dive computer functionality with the Oceanic Plus app, sensing depths of up to 40 meters and tracking water temperature. Health and safety are paramount too, with features like ECG tracking, notifications for irregular heart rhythms, and automatic connection to emergency services in case of a fall. In summary, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers a powerful blend of design, performance, and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a smartwatch that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Thanks for watching our top 5 best smartwatches. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.